Hey, what's up, guys? So I kickstarted this game a while ago, and now it's out. Exploding Kittens. Shipped with black box. So, yeah, let's bust into it. I like how it's not sealed at all. Like there was no seal. Whatever, it got here. Okay, and this is a card that like explains blah blah blah. Yeah, this is probably a shipping label. I assume. Nope. Oh, black boxes from the people who make Cards Against Humanity. I guess they made a new company. There's their symbol. Nice note. And I'm bumping stuff. Don't need that anymore. Alright, so we have Exploding Kittens, and we have Exploding Kittens Not Safe for Work deck. 2 minutes to learn, 50 minutes to play. So first things first. Now, yeah, first edition, that's cool. So there's supposed to be a surprise in here. No idea what it is. I love this magnetic seal, that's cool. Okay, so the box meows. I think that's the surprise. It looks like kitty litter. That's awesome. And then, yeah, look, this one has poop in it. So here's the deck. Here's the game. Here is the Exploding Kittens rule book. There's something else back there. How do you... How do you get it out of there? Looks like cards. That's a piece of plastic. Oh, okay. So it just stays in there. It's batteries. So it looks like it shows through his eyes here. So if you... How does it know when the box is... Is it just darkness, maybe? No? I have no idea. Funny nonetheless. It's a really sturdy, nice box. You can put both decks in there if you want. So we have our rule book. Hey, don't read these rules. Reading is boring. Watch the video. Okay. It seems fairly simple. The kittens are like bombs, and you have to defuse them. Like if you draw a bomb, or if you draw a kitten, and you can't defuse them, you die. So. Alright, let's take a look at the cards real quick, and then we'll crack open the other deck. Where is the opening? There it is. Maybe. I'm just going to go through some of these real quick. Not going to talk a lot about them, but I can't wait to play this game. Exploding Kitten! Show this card immediately. Diffuse, see the future, skip your turn, cat melon. There's another Exploding Kitten. There's a lot of different cards in here. Oh, okay. So they're pre-mixed, it looks like, kind of, sort of. So we're getting some repeats. Looks like all the Exploding Kitten cards are different. I guess not all of them are. There's quite a few different ones in here. I'm a palindrome. Taco cat? Yes, that's awesome. Oh. Hairy potato cat. See the future. Okay. So, yeah, there's the standard game. I really like how they made this so you don't have to carry 2 boxes with you. You can actually put both decks in one if you want. This is a different type of box. It's not magnetic like the other one. There we go. So just for comparison there, it's slightly bigger too. If I could get it out. So this one, okay, slightly different. I'm assuming it's the same rules, just different format. I like how they have this one set up though. They have it set up as 2 separate decks in there with this plastic holder. Seems like a really big box for not a lot of cards though. But, you know. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. There we go. Okay, so right off the bat, as I said, this is the not safe for work edition. So if you're easily offended by naughty words like that, or smoking a crack pipe, then I apologize. The first part of the video was for you. Oh, wow. Blood and gore, eating his own eyeball. Oh, man, I cannot wait. I'm definitely just going to be mixing both decks together and playing with a whole bunch of people. Nope, it's the Pope. Mama cat. Oh, wow. Popping them out. Okay. Jeez, okay. Yeah. Cantaloupe. Sorry about that. The camera stopped recording for some reason. Let's continue. It's a boob wizard. More like jump rope, more like jump nope. Oh, gross. Okay, so that's just half the cards. And they do have the same back, so yeah, you can definitely mix these together. Or you could play with just one deck or one or the other. Oh, okay, so I was wondering if they had some kind of symbol. It's not focusing. There we go. Not safe for work, so that's how you identify them. Little marker in the corner. Wow. Oh. Wow, okay. Schrodinger's cat. Or Cat Schrodinger. That's really funny. No, I was wondering why I didn't see any exploding kittens. They must all be in this deck. That's a lot of dildos. Cat bikini. Wow, like alien popping out of his chest there? That's awesome. Birthday suit. Oh, gross. Another exploding kitten? Alright. So, there we have it. I'm just going to go ahead and put these in the other box. Because that's where they belong, together. There we have it. So, Exploding Kittens. Cannot wait to play it. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I can't wait to play it. Please like and subscribe. and I'll be back when I get my next box. Thanks, guys.